Hey everyone, this is What It Is, a place where we talk about how immigration laws affect everyone. Today, we're going to answer the question, what is the Declaration of Self-Sufficiency? Hi, I'm Michael Ruttle, immigration attorney and founder at Ruttle Law PC based in Torrance, California, where we practice immigration law in all 50 states. So what is the Declaration of Self-Sufficiency, also known as Form I-944? Well, it was a government form that was introduced by the Department of Homeland Security recently as a required form to show that intending immigrants are not going to become a burden on the public, such as through welfare or food stamps. That's what it is. The Form I-944, it should be noted, as of the date of this video, it's been blocked by a federal judge. It's been enjoined. That means a federal judge has prevented the government from implementing this new rule because there were a lot of people that disagreed with the way the administration brought it out. Nonetheless, it's very likely that at some point in the future, this new form will be required in one form or another for intending immigrants. So what does the I-944 ask for? Well, historically, people have always had to overcome what's called the public charge rule of inadmissibility. They've always had to show that they're not going to become a burden on the public by receiving all of their income from tax subsidies, like I said, as welfare or food stamps. For the last few years, what immigrants have been able to do is file what's called an I-864, also known as an affidavit of support, which is essentially a contract between an immigrant's sponsor and the federal government that says if the immigrant receives public benefits, then this individual, the financial sponsor, is obligated to reimburse the government. However, this new Form I-944 is asking for a lot of things from the immigrant themselves to show that they can support themselves rather than have somebody else support them. So it's asking for things like your current assets, your level of education, your current level of income. It's also asking individuals to obtain what's called an IRS tax transcript. You can find that online and get it for free, and the link to do that is below this video. Another thing that they may ask for is your credit report. Again, that's something you're allowed to get one time for free every year from the FTC. A link on how you can do that is below. Another thing that they might be asking for is whether the individual is going to have health insurance. The government doesn't want to give green cards to individuals who are going to come to the U.S., go on welfare, food stamps, get public health benefits without reimbursing the government. So historically, it's always been a part of immigration. But now laws are changing. The current administration is vigorously enforcing the public charge rule of inadmissibility. With this injunction in place, we're just going to have to see how it plays out. Unfortunately, that's all the time we have for today. But if you have questions about whether the public charge rule of inadmissibility affects you or your green card application, contact an immigration attorney at Ruttle Law today to see if we can help you. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, click that bell, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and follow us on Facebook to stay up to date on how all immigration laws affect everyone. Until next time, I'm Michael Ruttle. Keep climbing that mountain.